her. I killed her because I do love her. These hands that give life to me. Killed her because of my love. Ladies and gentlemen of this honorable court, please listen to me. Listen to my story before you give my verdict. I am Dr. Reyes, a cancer specialist. I was born in Islam, district of Bataan. My father, oh, I don't know him, but I'm a fan. My mother brought me up in such determination, and my ambition was to escape the filthy and the horrible place of Bataan. I was nourished with hope that someday I might live a life different from her. My mother had a burning faith that she turned the nights into days. All her efforts were not in vain, for I pushed through with flying colors. My mother, who had given her whole life to me, had tears in her eyes as she pinned the gold medal on my proud breast. Later, I was sent as scholar of the Philippines in the United States of America. I embraced my mother tightly as I preached it. Mother, I whispered, you will always be my best mother in the world. After 4 years, I came back with the rest. Became a cancer specialist. I gave my mother everything, but I was too late. I, who had used to ease the pain of May, came too late to the life of my dying mother. I gave the best treatment, but the grasp of death was so tight around her. My God, what is the use of 10 years of study if I couldn't even use it at my mother's pain? Then one night, I heard a strange cry. Do you love me, child? She asked as I embraced her. Yes, mother, if only I could get all your pain and agonies. Then, if you love me, end my sufferings. Kill me, let me die. But mother, I promise to give life and not to end it. My God, what is the use of 10 years? My God, she did not deserve the unhappiness. She deserves to be happy. I ran to my room and came back with sewage. Mother, forgive me. God, please understand me. Mother,
I'm busy.
Mother, you must not die. Don't leave.
Uy.
It was only distilled the water. Mother. Now, ladies and gentlemen, give me a verdict.
Verdict.
Yes, it was only distilled water which ended the sufferings of my mother. Judge me. Punish me. Go. Punish me. They will.